Hello, hello, hello. Once again, it's bath time. Time I recorded the water again. Okay, shall we see who's here tonight then? Hello, my friends. It's Paul once again. Time for another bathroom water experiment. Can talk to me. Please come forward and talk very loud, very slowly, very clearly, if you wouldn't mind. Okay, I'm going to ask Spirit about time. How time is relevant or not relevant for them. We assume that they can see all and hear all, but after doing a couple of other sessions I realise not everybody is up to date with everything, spirit side. Okay, my spirit friends, could you tell me if you are up to date with relevant news and things that are happening on Earth right now? Is this something that you are privy to? Could you tell us if it's something that you are only aware of if you come close to the Earth? That's assuming that you come from somewhere else close to the Earth. And are you really interested in what's going on today? Or are you still stuck in your own time span? I'll be honest with you. There's nothing really good about today. I mean, technology has moved on. Gadgets, electrical gadgets, travelling, cars, but people, I think they've gone backwards, to be honest. There's wars going on. I mean, there's always been wars, but there's no need for war anymore. These dictators with big egos and very tiny penis want to play with soldiers and armies and destroy our Earth. That's what's going on. There's no thought about tomorrow and the people that are coming, how they're going to manage, how they're going to live. It's all greed about today, having everything. As we all know, you can't take it with you. So why amass so much money or fortune expect to sit in a bank account? I never understood that. I never will. I mean, I like money like the rest of the people, but I spend it. I have to spend on what we need, what we use. You haven't got that luxury of actually money. Most people don't. you have any more information about the aliens that are supposed to have landed in Miami? Are you privy to that information? Can you find out for us? That would be good. There's a lot of stories about what it is or what it isn't. Be nice to know. Well, can I ask if you have any messages for us, please? Or anyone else? Is there anyone that you'd like to send a message to? Okay. Thank you, my spirit friends. And thank you for watching another experiment. Speak to you again soon. Goodbye.